Closing out the day here. Unfortunately, we had a little bit of a problem with our Premier One and Teleshock 60. I'm not sure what's going on with it, but it wasn't charging. So our battery was dead. So swapped over to this Gallagher S20 that we got, and we're hitting on maxed out at 8K right off the bat. So I also went ahead and redid their shade structure over here. At the time I only had 2 T-posts on me. And I forgot to bring the others this morning, so brought the other 2 out here when I came to swap out energizers. So hopefully this will work a lot better. The landscape staples I was using to hold it down in the ground, the wind was pulling them out. So hopefully this will work better. In the long run, it's really what I wanted anyway. So that way when we move them to this side, they already have their shade structure set. All we have to do is move their water and move them. And then of course just swap the fence around, which will be easy because I actually split it. I'll show y'all what I did here. So this left side is one fence, and then the right side is the other fence. So we have the break in the fence here and there. So all I have to do is open this up, bring them in. Once I get this tilled out with the tines, throw them some feed in there, they'll go in, munch on that feed, and start working on the ground. While they're doing that, I just have to unhook those 2 ends, walk them around this way around as well, connect it over there, and we'll have a mirror image of this on this side. And then, like I said, just have to dump their water out, move it over, strap it to one of these T-posts on this side, and we'll be ready to start working this garden plot as well. So hopefully this is going to work out good. It's a good plan, but see how the execution goes. All right, fellas, y'all have a good night. And y'all have a good night too.